My name is Mahantesh, and our company name is Fowler Westrup India Private Limited. We are based out of Bangalore company. We are into cleaning, grading, and rice milling machines, silo storage systems, and color sorter machines. We are in this business from last 30 years. And our technology transfer is with various companies around the world. For cleaners, we are tied up with Westrup company in Denmark, and for gravity machines, we have tied up with USA Oliver. Then we have tie up with for rice milling machine technology, we are tied up with Yamamoto Company Limited, Japan. So for color sorter, we are tied up with the UK based company Radix, and our parent company is Mahiko Seeds, which is from Maharashtra. So we are into this business from last 30 to 35 years, and we have more than 5,000 plus machinery supplied, and we have over 600 plus satisfied customers and going on. Thank you.